Welcome to this tutorial on finding the image identification number from your WordPress website. In this session, you will learn how to locate the unique number attached to an image in your media library by following a series of straightforward steps. First, open your browser and head to your WordPress site. Once the page loads, direct your attention toward the top right corner of the screen where you will see the login option. Clicking on this login option is your gateway to accessing all the administrative functions of your website. After you click the login button, the next step is to sign into your account. WordPress has made it easier by offering a sign-in method that uses your existing credentials from a major email provider. Look for the prompt that says continue with a popular email service and click that. When you select this option, you will be shown a list of accounts available on your device. So simply pick the one you normally use with WordPress. This seamless integration allows you to log in quickly without needing to input additional details manually. Once you are successfully logged in, navigate over to the media library section of your website. The media library is where WordPress manages all your images and other media files. This is typically found within your administrative dashboard, and you will notice that it presents a visual grid or list of your uploaded images. As you enter this section, you are one step closer to finding the image identification number. Within the media library, take your time to locate the image for which you need the identification number. When you have found the image in question, direct your cursor over the title of the media item. Hovering over the media title will typically reveal a hidden layer or pop-up that provides additional details about the item. This is a helpful step because it gives you a quick preview of more technical information linked to the media file. As you keep your cursor in this area, move your focus to the bottom right corner of the WordPress page. You will notice that WordPress displays a link there, and this link contains important technical parameters about the image. Specifically, you're looking for a series of numbers and letters that appear along the link. The critical detail to remember is that the image identification number is the number that appears immediately after the word post in that link. Pay close attention to this detail because knowing the image identification number can be essential when you need to manage or troubleshoot the media files on your website. This unique number can be useful when you are either customizing your content, fixing issues, or even when you are looking to perform some advanced edits using plugins or custom code. This tutorial, originally created by a respected expert, has been structured to be a quick 5-minute guide that simplifies what might seem like a complex process. By following each of these steps carefully, you ensure that you accurately identify the unique number for any given image from your WordPress media library. Enjoy exploring your website's backend with this new level of technical insight, and take advantage of the additional context provided by WordPress to streamline your content management tasks.